Welcome to our tutorial on SWOT analysis, a strategic planning tool that stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Each component of SWOT plays a crucial role in understanding your business landscape better and tailoring strategies that leverage your company's potential while mitigating risks. But why is SWOT analysis so important? In today's competitive environment, having a clear overview of your internal capabilities and external opportunities can set you apart. It helps you harness your strengths, address your weaknesses, seize opportunities, and guard against potential threats. Throughout this tutorial, you will learn what each element of SWOT entails and how to effectively apply this analysis in real-world scenarios. Whether you're a student diving into the basics of business studies or a seasoned professional aiming to refine your strategic approach, this guide will equip you with the tools to perform a comprehensive SWOT analysis. Stay tuned as we begin with an in-depth exploration of strengths, what they are, why they matter, and how you can identify them in your organization. In this segment, we delve into strengths, the first critical component of SWOT analysis. Strengths are what distinguish your organization from competitors and are akin to your business's superpowers. Attributes like superior technology, a dedicated workforce, or exceptional customer service are prime examples. We start by defining strengths as positive attributes that are internal to your organization and provide a clear competitive advantage. These can be tangible or intangible resources, such as a strong brand reputation, robust financial standing, or exclusive access to certain natural resources. To bring this concept to life, consider a tech company with cutting-edge R&D, leading to innovative products, or a restaurant boasting a prime location and a celebrated chef attracting large crowds. Identifying your strengths involves a keen observation of your resources and capabilities. Reflect on what your organization excels at that competitors cannot match. Draw on your past successes and gather feedback from clients and stakeholders. This is not just about recognition. It's about strategically leveraging these strengths to outperform competitors and excel in your industry. As we move forward, you'll see how identifying and capitalizing on your strengths is pivotal in shaping strategic decisions. Next, let's tackle weaknesses. These are areas where your organization falls short or could see improvement. Acknowledging these barriers helps mitigate risks and formulate more robust strategies. But what exactly are weaknesses in the context of a SWOT analysis? Think of these as internal factors that curb your organization's progress, such as outdated technology, limited resources, or skills gaps within your team. By recognizing weaknesses, you can turn them into stepping stones for future success. Start this process by evaluating them without bias. Assess your processes and workforce critically, using tools like surveys or audits to identify areas for advancement. Then set specific, measurable goals for improvement, such as increasing training to close skills gaps or boosting marketing efforts to enhance brand visibility. Remember, every identified weakness presents an opportunity for growth. With well-defined strategies, today's weaknesses can become tomorrow's strengths. Stay tuned as we transition into the next segment where we will explore opportunities that can propel your organization to new heights. Opportunities in the business landscape are like undiscovered treasures, awaiting to propel your market performance. In this segment on identifying opportunities, we examine how these external factors can give your organization a competitive advantage. Opportunities might include market gaps, emerging trends, or beneficial policy changes. For instance, a technological leap that allows more efficient production than competitors, or a new consumer trend perfectly matched with your brand's ethos present real growth possibilities. So, how do you effectively identify and seize these opportunities? It starts by staying informed about market trends and continuously evaluating the external environment. Employing tools like pest analysis can be instrumental in understanding political, economic, social, and technological changes. As we move into evaluating threats in the following segment, remember that each opportunity seized enhances your resilience against potential setbacks. Keep focused, and let's advance our journey through SWOT analysis. Finally, we address threats, the fourth pillar of our SWOT analysis journey. Threats are external challenges that could disrupt your business's path to success. It's vital to not only recognize these potential threats, but also devise strategies to navigate or mitigate their impacts effectively. By defining threats, which range from economic downturns and regulatory changes to intense competition, anything that poses a risk. For example, a new competitor entering the market could impact your sales significantly. Alternatively, shifts in consumer behavior driven by tech advancements or cultural changes could impair product appeal. Envisioning these scenarios assists in crafting proactive strategies for robust market engagement. Stay abreast of market trends and competitor activities, or explore new markets and diversify product lines. As we conclude our SWOT analysis journey, remember that comprehending each of these components, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, provides a holistic view for strategic planning. This toolkit is not merely academic, but a practical resource for ongoing business evaluation and strengthening.